Yung tingin sa kata.
Marunong si Trisha, no? Tinuturuan ka ni dad mo, Trisha? Wow! Pirouette pa si... kasi nagbabalay si Trisha eh.
If the song is ended, I'm gonna throw Trisha.
No, no.
Okay?
No. Don't throw her.
Kasi ayun lang ako.
Oh, ganyan lang.
Because I don't know what to say like that.
Ito?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know
Malapit na mag-end yung song.
Yeah. Who's that? Someone's knocking? Let me see. Okay, let me see.
Matangkad pa si Trisha sa kanya. Wow! Dapat paturo ka, Ben, sa daddy ni Trisha na, ano?
Yeah.
Lapit na matapos, ha?
Ayaw, masakit yan.
Grabe naman paghawak mo sa damit ni Trisha, be. Baka mapunit yung damit ni Trisha. Okay, bow. Bow. Bow na. 1, 2. Oh, wrestling. Bow. Bow na, bow. 1, 2, 3, bow. Wow!